Welcome back to Performance TV, presented by Top Coat. We've got this nice, cool, first-gen 67 Camaro. Beautiful convertible. And you know what, with a car like this, you want to cruise around with the top down and listen to some sounds without messing up the dash. And that's what we're going to be able to do with our friends from Custom Autosound. These guys have been putting together classic stereos with all of the modern technology since 1977. And we're going to be able to put all of that into this beautiful car. Of course, back in the day, you just had your AM radio, one speaker sitting there in the middle of the dash. You were lucky if you could hear any of that. And look at this big monstrosity. But you're not going to have that anymore with all of the great technology packed into this very small radio, but it's going to fit right in the dash without having to do any cutting. It's still going to look just like it did from the factory. It's going to look like an AM radio. But you can change the colors. There are 7 different LED colors, from blue and pink and white and green, and you're going to be able to customize some other things as well. These are assembled right here in the USA. They go through heat tests, they go through vibration tests. They want to make sure that your radio is going to sound just as good for you as your car does going down the road. And Joe, what do you say we get this put into our classic Camaro?
Here we go, another install, Custom Autosound. One of the best things out there for taking an old school car and making it new and modern and increasing your experience. The Bluetooth, the iPod aspects of it, the fact you're listening to podcasts or whatever you're streaming from your mobile device just makes it great. And an install, pretty simple. Take the unit, which Kathy used the word monstrosity, and that was so true. They've got it very compact and very easy in that we've already run our wiring harnesses, and they're keyed, so you can't get it wrong, which is perfect for me. So you plug it in until it clicks, and then you plug the other one until it clicks, and you are ready to go. So on this Camaro, you can see that they want to keep everything absolutely as close to factory as possible. And we've got some AC vents that are going to fight us a little bit. And this install is a little different because they have an aftermarket gauge cluster. But we're going to fight right through that and then bring it right out the factory position. And so far, so good. Now, I love doing this because, frankly, I can't go anywhere without my music. And look at that. We're going to take our washers, place them in position, and then we'll take our nut and get one of them on. That's what I always like to do, is just get one and start it. And sometimes they fight you. This one is being very compliant. Switch over. And just like that, it is going into position. And I am loving the look. Gen 1 Camaros, many of them built in Van Nuys, California. One of the true classics out there. And as great as they are, rolling around with that AM radio with one speaker in the dash that Kathy was talking about, you can't do that. Not anymore. You got to bring your music, your tunes, the Bluetooth, the hands-free. All of those elements, to me, make your experience nowadays when you're in the car. And so what we're going to do is we're going to finish up, get the knobs on, get everything ready, get Kathy over here, and tune it up, test it out. But before we do that, check out this.
Time now for Top Coat's tips and techniques.
You know, one of the things that makes Top Coat the best coating in the world is literally, you know, that this product was designed and formulated to literally do everything. You know, how many products are on the markets today? You got a product that does this, a product that does that. You start getting confused as far as what's your go-to product. And we quickly realized that, especially with the technology we had that we developed, that we knew we could replace all of those products.
Well, yeah, after 20 years, it was such a breakthrough to realize that you could have one product that literally does it all, but does it better
That's
than
right.
all these
That's
other
right.
products.
Yeah, not one product that does something good, but one product that does everything great. Yeah.
And easier, simpler,
Yes,
faster.
Yes. In today's day and age, no one has time anymore. Everyone's working. And to be able to take one product that you can literally go from the paint to the glass to the plastics to the rims, engine, interior, exterior, and then take that to look what we have in the showroom,
Oh,
right?
yeah. Everything you could think of, high-end classics to modern-day trucks to daily commuters, motorcycles, you name it.
Planes, RVs, things we can't even put into this room, obviously. But it's all of these industries that we have found ourselves in because of the functionality, the performance, and more importantly, the ability to truly enhance, make like new, and protect as we move forward with these coatings. And also, more importantly, less maintenance. Every time you use this product, it just gets better and better and better. And I don't know of another product on the market that can do anything close to
There's
that.
none. That's why it took so long to be able to do this and be water-based.
Yeah.
Eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
That's like near impossible to do.
That's
It
right.
won't hurt anything. It's like a dream come true.
Whether you're older generations to the younger generations, everybody in between has fallen in love with this product just because it's so easy. And it's taken a novice and making them look like a professional.
And the more you use it, the more you want to try it on everything.
Is that
You
the
know,
truth?
Like
Yeah.
your phone. I mean, we even have military application.
Yes, exactly. If you want to learn more about the products, don't forget you can always go to topcoat.tv.
Joe, I don't know about your choice of music, but I can tell you do a nice job on installing. What is this, like some Southern Florida stuff or whatever?
Don't attack a man's music, Kathy. You should know that. The install actually went much smoother than I thought it was going to.
You know, this is great. And now we've got sound. We don't have just the speaker in the center. And is this off? No, this is the radio. This isn't off your Bluetooth, is it?
It's the music in my head, Kathy. It's always the music in my head.
We'll just leave that in his head. Hey, we'll have more Performance TV coming up for you next week, presented by Top Coat. If you have a product that you would like to see featured on the show, just shoot an email to sponsors@masterstv.com. We'll see you then.